Hi, everyone. Welcome to State of the Market. I'm Mark Lichtenfeld, Chief Income Strategist with the Oxford Club. And if you haven't done so yet, join the more than 12,000 people that have already subscribed to this channel. It's absolutely free, so click on that subscribe button now. Now, for the past year and a half, there's been a lot of focus on the biotech sector, and for good reason. I don't know if you've heard, but there's this nasty bug going around the world.
What is with that?
Billions of people around the planet hoped for a vaccine, and incredibly, several effective vaccines were developed. We also now have more effective treatments for COVID than we did just a year ago. Now, the spotlight for biotech investors, and rightly so, has been on the companies that have developed the vaccines and treatments. Moderna, previously known only to investors that really followed the biotech sector closely, is now a household name. I mean, how many times have you been asked, did you get the Pfizer, Moderna, or J&J? And not surprisingly, Moderna shares are up more than 1,300% since the beginning of the pandemic. BioNTech, which is the company behind the Pfizer vaccine, is only up 700% since COVID started spreading widely. So while COVID stocks have been the focus for biotech investors, I encourage you to take a look at the sector beyond coronavirus, as there are tons of exciting things happening. For example, in the rare disease space, which can be very lucrative since companies can charge high prices for drugs because there isn't enough volume to generate meaningful revenue otherwise, there's a company called Homology Medicines, ticker symbol FIXX, and it uses gene editing and gene therapy technology to treat PKU, which affects roughly 1 in 15,000 babies and leads to severe disabilities. There is no current treatment for PKU. There's also been a lot of focus lately on mental health, and several companies are working on medications to help people suffering from a variety of conditions. In early October, Sage Therapeutics, ticker symbol SAGE, announced strong phase 3 results for its drug zuranolone, which is being studied to treat major depressive disorder and postpartum disorder. And of course, there are numerous companies with drugs to fight various forms of cancer, including Halozyme, ticker symbol HALO, whose technology makes other cancer drugs more effective. Cura Oncology, ticker symbol KURA, which is studying drugs in head and neck cancer and leukemia. And of course, many of the large pharmaceutical and biotech companies have committed significant resources to cancer research, including Merck, Pfizer, Novartis. Importantly, biotech outperforms the market over the long term. Over the past 10 years, the sector gained 395%, while the S&P 500 was up 261% during the same period. And over 20 years, biotech has generated more than 3 times the profits of the broader market, with a return of 1,071% versus 303% for the S&P 500. So if you're looking for outsized returns in the market, forget the COVID stocks for now. They're so 2021.
As if.
The future belongs to the cancer fighters, the companies with drugs for rare diseases, mental health, cardiac therapies, and a wide range of other conditions that are in need of new medicines. The sector is constantly evolving to meet the needs of patients, as we saw with COVID-19. Make sure you're invested in this sector that is recession-proof and for which there will always be demand for its products. Click on the link below for more information on how you can successfully invest in the biotech sector. Thanks for watching State of the Market. I'm Mark Lichtenfeld. I'll see you next time.